lot lower than the previous one.
Bouncer. That's a good one.
It's amazing how you can see it.
Yeah.